Day 3, 14 cubes to go, right? Took us 4 on day 1, 2 on day 2. If we keep having that number, first try today, in theory. So, choose well, little man.
I feel like... How many do we have?
14.
14.
What are you feeling?
Yeah.
That's the one, huh?
This one. This one feels... I choose this one. This one just feels right.
Trust your gut, little dude. Trust your gut.
I really hope it's the Ultra Grail.
There is still one Ultra Grail. Remember, the ZFO is 1 of 1 for each of them. Am I clicking for you, or are you clicking? Are you doing it? So was it my picking yesterday? Was it the head hug, the finger cross, the force? The world may never know. Come on, baby. Give me a grail. Give me a grail. Give me a... Wow, we didn't have a rare common. Oh, we had a rare common. It's the uncommon.
No, wait. Oh.
Yeah.
Really? We just got this one.
Yeah, but he was ready to do.
Oh.
I lose track. We have too many.
Oh, he's cute.
He's cute. Yeah, and if we look in here, so let's see, right? Look, there's 2 commons, and then, yeah, see, there he is. We have 3 of those guys. So yesterday was a dupe, today was a trip. No quads, no quads. Okay, let's see.
I'll see it later when I watch the video. No.
Were you peeking?
Maybe just a little bit.
Oh, you were peeking! Okay. Make it happen. Oh! And... Rubik's Cube time.
Which we do not have.
Boom!
We do not have that.
Epic Juno. Well, we did have an Epic Juno. You fooled me!
I was thinking rare.
Guys, I thought each day, yesterday, today, I was picking the right ones. Nikki led me astray. We have the Epic Juno.
I just kicked the cat's toy ball.
All right. Still at it. Come on, dude. 12.
I have a feeling. I have a really good feeling that's 6.
I was hiding my eyes, but then you said it out loud.
All right.
Let's go.
Okay.
Bum, bum, bum.
What else is there?
Drum roll, please.
The magic touch. We forgot about that.
Okay, dude. Click your cube. All right. Come on, Digitoys. Give us something good. Give us something good. Uncommon Comet. There he is already. We are not having good luck today.
You can choose the next one.
Okay. Going to the bottom. This poor guy sitting at the bottom needs a little bit of love. Maybe he'll give us a little bit of love back. Okay. I'm going to summon the forces of all of our Cryptoys pals, right? We've got DB Crypto and Bones, and we've got the real Anano and D. They're coming to help us out, right? And our buddy Buck Jester and the Superstar guys and all the people I'm forgetting. You guys are bringing the luck
Poof.
to me. Yeah, but that guy Poof. No, we love Poof. Okay. There's just too many. to name them all. Bring us the energy. Bring us the love. Bring us the Grail. We're gonna have a talk, friends. Uncommon Alfie.
Right there. I'm choosing. I don't know. I have a feeling about 8.
Okay.
What is it?
Well,
I don't know.
10, 9,
Oh,
8.
yeah.
8, huh? Wait.
This feels right.
This feels right. All right. This is the 4th one we've opened in this video?
I have no idea.
No, 5th. I think you, me, you.
Legendary Alfie. Of all the legendaries, that's the one we have.
Guys, Nikki's getting hot, right? We gotta get this going here. He's gonna flip a table. All right. I'm just not even thinking about it. Just
I don't even know.
Jumping right in. I don't even know. 5 maybe? Don't you open my... Get your mitts off my cube. This guy.
7 minutes. This is like...
I know.
This is as long as the last one. So... As the first one.
I've never tried to read with that stuff.
Do not.
Okay, wait. Legendary Juno!
Yeah, that looks awesome!
Bingo!
Legendary
Juno.
Yes.
Look at that. Oh, okay.
Wait, can we...
1-1-1. Look at him. He looks great.
I like him.
Very cool. Finally. 8 minutes later. Look at that. And let's see. Number 107. All right. Whew. That one was work. But we did it.
Oh, there's like things about him there.
Yeah, it's the whole story.
I forgot.
Yeah. All right. Well, we made it. Okay. Very good, guys. A few more to go. What do we have left? 9? 8? 8. 8 more to go. Well, let's hope that doesn't take all 8 of these to get something new for us.
We need a rare...
Look at this. Prism Juno, right? Which is rare. And then the one epic.
Look at the grails.
One legendary.
Look at
and
these.
then the
grails.
grails.
Oh, I forgot what the...
Look at them. The ultra grails, they're gold.
Click on it. Oh, that looks cool.
That is cool.
That
And the
looks
grails have that dark neon look.
Personally, I think the grails are probably the best.
Yeah, in this lineup, I think the grails might be my favorite. Oh, look at Alfie. He's cool.
Yes. Honestly, I think like their spots and like their patterns should be like a platinum almost for the gold ones. So it's not completely gold. I thought that could look cool.
Not good. All right. Well then, we'll see you guys soon enough.